talker, Betty Crocker.
Oh, honey, what'd you do to me?
You smash with devastation and you lead me on and on. Oh, creamy deluxe, you're
This is a national emergency broadcast, issued under federal authority. This advisory updates and expands upon Advisory 12A. Please listen carefully. This message contains new information. Federal authorities can now confirm that nocturnal intrusion events are not the result of a single entity. Multiple entities, matching an identical behavioral and physical profile, have been independently confirmed across 41 states. This advisory exists to correct that assumption and to provide updated guidance based on new findings. Following 3 separate incidents, federal investigators recovered viable genetic material from 3 individual entities. Each sample was cross-referenced against the National Missing Persons DNA database. All 3 returned matches. Each sample matched a different child, reported missing in a different state, at a different time. None of these children have been recovered. Federal biologists now believe genetic material from abducted minors is being incorporated into the biology of these entities. The purpose of this process is not yet understood, though results have been confirmed. During testing, investigators identified an inconsistency that has not been publicly disclosed until now. 2 of the 3 tested entities carry a chromosome count that does not match any known terrestrial species, living or extinct. This count is by standard classification, not biologically possible. The 3rd entity does not share this anomaly. Its chromosome count is even, and consistent in structure with known biological life. The entity with a standard chromosome count also differs physically from the other 2. Field reports describe this entity as notably shorter, and missing the flesh cavity on its back, with posture and movement significantly closer to human norms than previously documented entities. Investigators are not yet able to explain why one entity differs from the other 2 in this way. Federal biologists believe this entity may represent a further developed stage of the same species, though this has not been confirmed. This finding is under continued review. In light of these findings, the following guidance is now in effect for all households, in addition to procedures outlined in Advisory 12A. 1. Do not assume a single successful defense against one entity means your household is no longer at risk. Multiple entities operate independently and simultaneously nationwide. 2. Continue to report all sightings, regardless of the entity's appearance. All variants are considered equally dangerous. This advisory will repeat. Federal investigation into these findings is ongoing. Further updates will be issued, as new information is confirmed. This is a national emergency broadcast, issued under federal authority. This advisory updates and expands upon Advisory 12A.